Now we're going to make this really cute little purse for a young girl. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Mini Bowdabra. For those of you that don't know, there are springs underneath here, so it's going to automatically adjust and hold the materials in the Mini Bowdabra. Then I'm going to need to measure this, so I'm going to put my hair bow tool and ruler on top of my Mini Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take my my Bowdabra bow wire. I folded it in half, and now I'm just going to lay it into the Mini Bowdabra and tuck it underneath, just so it stays out of the way. Then what I'm going to do is take this piece of sheer sparkly ribbon, and I've already dovetailed the ends, but all you have to do to dovetail is go from the corner and cut in towards the fold, and you'll get the cute little dovetailed ends. So now I'm going to just fold this in half so I have my center, and I'm just going to take it and I'm going to put right side up of the ribbon, and I'm just going to push that right down into my Mini Bowdabra. And because I have the ruler, I can make sure that I'm pretty much in the center here. Then what I'm going to do is take this really cute ribbon here. I'm just going to do a little mountain up here and push that down. I'm going to fold this around and then do a mountain up again. And then I'm going to measure. This is why I need my hair bow tool and ruler. I want to make sure these are even. So I've got about 6.5. Let's make sure that's right. So 6 on this side, 6. Oh, 6. So I'm 6 centimeters on each side. And I'm going to just scrunch that down in there. I'm going to take my Bowdabra wand. I'm going to scrunch everything in. I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm just going to open this up and pull it through the slip knot. So it's really, really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. Then I'm going to separate the end, pull my bow out of the Bowdabra, bring this around to the back. Then what I'm going to do is take my other sheer ribbon that I have, and I'm going to just take a glue dot and put this right here on the back, and I'm going to just put this here and adhere it pretty tight with my glue dot. You could also use a glue gun. Then I'm going to kind of scrunch that together and bring it back around to the back. And I'm going to take another glue dot, and you could use a glue gun, so that would work just as well. I just happen to have the glue dots here. So I'm just going to do this tightly there. I'm going to just sort of shape out my bow. And now I'm going to twist this around, and I'm going to take another glue dot because I want to kind of give it a little form here. And now I'm going to just wrap this around. And now I'm just going to take one more glue dot and put that right here. And then another glue dot for it to attach right there. And just to give it a little shape, I just took a piece of cardboard and covered it with purple tissue paper. And we're just going to put that down in the bottom here. And you have this really cute little bag for a little girl. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below. And also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.